First question is for $500 points. Chandigarh is the capital of options are A. Punjab, B. All, C. Haryana, D. Chandigarh, UP. Claudia, B. Okay. So log option B. All. Correct answer. Second question is for $1,000 points. Kargil is the winter capital of which UT? Options are A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. ANC, C. Ladakh, D. None. Gloria, C. C. Smriti Ranjan, C. Okay, log option C. Ladakh. Let's see if it's correct. Third question is for $2,000 points. Thiruvananthapuram, the capital of which state? Options are A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. None. Gloria, A. Option A. Kerala. $3,000 points. Triambakam, Lord Shiva, Nasik is in which state? Options are A. MP, B. Maharashtra, C. D. None. Arav, B. Shaurya, B. Lupita, B. Okay, so log option B. Maharashtra. Answer. This question is for $5,000 points. Kolkata is the capital of which state? Options are A. Jharkhand, B. Odisha, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. West Bengal. Gloria, D. Arav, B. Log option D. West Bengal. What is the correct answer? question is for $7,000 points. Telangana is the part of which undivided state? Options are A. AP, B. MP, C. UP, D. HP. Shaurya A. Arav AP A. Okay, lock option A, AP. Seventh question is for $10,000 points. Agartala is the capital of which state? Options are A. Nagaland, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Tripura, D. Goa. Shaurya C, Yogita C, Arav C. Are you sure? Smriti Ranjan C. Okay, so lock option C, Tripura. Eighth question is for $20,000 points. Uttarakhand is the part of which undivided state? Options are A, MP, B, C, D, EP, D, HP. Arav UP. C, Shaurya C. Abhinav Mishra UP. Okay, let's see whose answer is correct. Got the correct option. Ninth question is for $30,000 points. Dwarika temple of Lord Krishna is in which state? Options are A. Rajasthan, B. Haryana, C. Gujarat, D. Nal. Shaurya C. Arav C. Yogita C. Smriti Ranjan C. Abhinav Mishra none. Are you sure? Your answer. Please read the question and write the answer. Okay, lock option C, Gujarat. Correct answer. Wait for a minute. I will be back. Wait. Okay, 10th question is for 50. Daman is the capital of duty. Options are A. EC, B. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, C. Daman and Diu, D. Daman. Smriti Ranjan A. Bharat Kumar B and C. Shaurya A. Yogita A. lock option A, B and C. Correct answer. 11th question is for $100,000 points. Shillong is the capital of which state? Options are Assam, B. Mizoram, C. Meghalaya, D. Manipur. Arya B. Arav C. Smriti Ranjan B. Sita B. Arya B. Okay, so lock option B. Is it correct or not? No. This is the correct answer. Meghalaya. Twelfth question is for $250,000 points. Raipur is the capital of which state? Options are A. Goa, B. Gujarat, C. Chhattisgarh, D. MP. Sita C. Shaurya C. Joshna C. Ranija D. C. C, Arav C. Okay, so lock option C, Chhattisgarh. Let's see is it correct or not. 13th question is for $500,000 points. Rameshwaram, Lord Shiva, is in which state? Options are A. Karnataka, B. None, C. Kerala, D. Tamil Nadu. Arav D. Sita D. Shaurya D. Niranjan D. Abhinav Mishra D. Krishna D. Okay, lock option D, Tamil Nadu. Let's see is it correct or not. Correct answer. 14th question is for $1 million points. Jaipur is the capital of which state? Options are A. Rajasthan, B. Karnataka, C. Kerala, D. None. Shaurya A. Niranjan A. Arav A. Sita A. Anija A. Joshna A. Okay, lock option A, Rajasthan. Let's see is it correct or not. Congratulations, it's time for lucky draw. Shaurya. Congratulations, Shaurya.